Hello everyone, welcome back. First of all, I wanted to thank everyone for watching the first video. First episode really was a success. Would you agree?
Yes.
Kalila? It is currently 9:46 p.m. We decided Pazuki.
No, it's Pizuki.
What'd I say?
Pazuki.
I said Pazuki.
Oh, I thought you said
Okay. Today we'll be making
Pazuki.
I'm really excited. I'm ready to eat that.
I'm literally gonna eat this Oreo
sounds so good.
before we start. Let me get it. Here we go.
We're gonna interview you really fast.
Okay, let's go.
How old are you?
20.
What are your hobbies and interests?
Anything outdoors.
Anything outdoors, she said.
Your lips look like raw chicken.
What? You just spat on me, ho. She likes to go to the park. She reads books in her hammock. She's gonna buy a van and travel the country. And eventually she's gonna make a YouTube channel and document her van.
Make money.
Her man. She ain't got no man.
So, first step in making a Pazuki is...
I've never made this before. Have you?
No.
I did a Instagram poll. It was either this or Crunchwrap Supreme. And Crunchwrap actually won, but I don't care about your opinion. Okay, so before I even show you the ingredients, you're gonna preheat your oven to 325 degrees. As per cookiesandcups.com. This is Lila. You're gonna preheat your oven to 325 and throw your dog in it. Callie, she's scared. Okay, so here are the ingredients you're gonna need. You're gonna need 2 sticks of butter, 2 eggs, dark brown sugar, regular white sugar, salt, flour, baking powder, vanilla, and then chocolate chips of your choice. We're using mini chocolate chips and big chocolate chunks, and then we're also gonna add like crushed Oreos. That's gonna go crazy. Yeah.
And ice cream.
And ice cream on top. Now that you have all your ingredients collected all together, so you're gonna take 2 sticks of butter, throw Aunt John's in the pan right there. This teamwork. Oh my god, it's like we're sisters. So we're gonna melt that butter in that pan over medium-low heat. And we're gonna brown the butter, so we're gonna keep it on medium-low, but we're gonna like stir it and let it get a little caramelized. And that's supposed to add like another dimension of flavor to the cookie.
You have so much ice cream.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my god, how old?
Oh my god, this is full.
Put on
Girl, you will need this much ice cream. This is actually necessary for the recipe.
Alright.
I don't know what to talk about. All this butter is melting.
How are your days during quarantine?
Depressed.
What have you been getting into?
What you finna get into? I've been reading books for the first time in my life. I've never really read until now, actually.
Really? Well,
Not,
I mean...
only for school.
Only
Not
for
like
school,
pleasure.
yeah.
But I'm into that.
I've only read a couple of books, like, from my own, like, will.
Yeah.
And it takes, like, 3 months to just finish one book.
I know y'all were 12 when you read Looking for Alaska, but I finished that last night and I was sobbing.
The show is awful.
The show sucks. Don't watch it. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. This is 2 whole sticks of butter.
That's a lot of butter.
No regard for our health today. So you're not even actually gonna need bowls for this, because everything you're gonna do is gonna be mixed inside the pan.
Wow!
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. The other day I sewed a bunch of these flowers onto this sweater because I saw it on TikTok and it looked so cute. So I was like, I want to do that. And so I had a bunch of these scraps, and my mom decided she wanted to make a doll. I'm gonna show you. What? She's so scary. This video is possessed, you know.
Should we just put her like up here?
Almost all of these Pazuki recipes I saw called for baking soda, which we don't have. Also, I just want to tell you all to expect me to never have all of the ingredients, because that's how it's gonna go. I'm just saying. We're making up our own recipe. You could do 1 cup of brown sugar and then half a cup white sugar. Okay, so we melted our butter in our pan. Now we're gonna add our sugar. We're gonna do 1 cup brown sugar and 1 cup white sugar, and we're gonna add it to our melted butter in our pan. Wow. So, how would you?
Barefoot Contessa right now.
How would you describe me as a person?
You're really great, honestly. You're.
Stop.
Can I speak? Is it my turn? Senya Khan, let me give you the list. Usually joyful. Dances is extremely funny. What else? Great sister.
It's the doll. It literally is. Ow! What was that?
The doll possessed. I was so scared.
What was that?
I don't know.
Okay, now we're gonna add the sugar. You're in charge. Can you handle it?
Senya, you didn't even wait.
Aw.
This looks really good, you guys.
Should we get a zoom in? Can you use your phone or no?
My phone is dead.
Oh my god, wow, look at this.
It's like so. You don't have any other.
Okay, so now we're just gonna let that cool for a while because we have to add the eggs, and if we don't let it cool, then the eggs will like scramble. So we'll be back when it's cooled to put everything else in. Won't we, Kalila?
Yes.
Who y'all think will win in a fight?
Round 1, fight!
Enough!
I would win. She would win.
So the butter and sugar is cool. We're gonna add these eggs in. It says to add them one at a time. So who's first?
Wait, let's see if we can do it one-handed.
There's no way. Oh my god. Okay, wow. That's not that hard.
That's really not that hard.
Why they hype that up so much?
I don't know.
So I'm just whisking the eggs in. Oh. We're gonna add some vanilla extract. Just a dash. I never measure the vanilla extract. It says baking powder, baking soda, and salt. We only have 2 of those things, so. But this is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. There's no baking soda?
There's no baking soda, so there's no chance that this is gonna be good.
We need a little bit of salt.
We have gluten-free all-purpose flour because I'm allergic. Oh my god, we're not gonna have enough, Senya.
There's no
We
way.
have to manifest it. It says 2 cups of flour.
I don't think we'll be just about good.
Why did you put it all in at once? In the meantime, I'm gonna crush up these
Oh my god, I forgot about
Oreos.
that. Pretty good. We're gonna add chocolate chunks, mini chocolate chips, and Oreo crushed bits. Big one. Oh my god. How?
Ooh, baby.
So now it says that we're gonna bake this for 30 to 35 minutes. That seems like a very long time. We're gonna get a before shot and then an after. I love how dirty it is, but this is before. So I just put that in the oven. And I know y'all know what it means when I put things in the oven. It's time to sing. So this is probably one of my favorite songs ever. It's called Golden Hour by Casey Musgraves. So I hope I can do it justice. All that I know is you caught me at the right time. Keep me in your glow, 'cause I'm having such a good time with you. Oh, yeah. Well, baby, don't you know that you're my golden hour, the color of my sky. You set my world on fire. Oh. And I know everything's gonna be alright. I used to get sad it's different now. 'Cause I love the light that I found in you. Oh, and baby, don't you know that you're my golden hour? The color of my sky. You set my world on fire. Oh, and I know everything's gonna be alright. Oh, you make the world look beautiful. I thought I'd seen it all before, but looking through your eyes looks like paradise. You're my golden hour. Oh, the color of my sky. You set my world on fire. Oh, and I know everything's gonna be alright. Oh, my golden hour. Oh, my golden hour. Oh, and I know that everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Yeah! Alright, y'all. It's time to take it out of the oven. Removing it.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
Can you put it down there?
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. That is something else.
I have some plates here.
We're gonna cut a slice.
Yeah, let's do a slice.
It's just gonna crumble.
Why is it so crumbly?
I'm also gluten-free. Oh my god, no.
Wow. Well.
Don't use gluten-free flour. Bad
Hey,
idea.
I want to take a picture now.
Okay, I'm gonna take a little ice cream and a little bite. Ready?
Our Italian ice cream.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very good. Can't complain.
Eat from here because
Oh wait. If I'm being honest, it's not that good.
it's crumbly. We're gonna be honest here, it's crumbly. But
I'm gonna keep eating that.
it's flour, sugar, butter, and chocolate, so.
It was fun. Okay, everyone. That's all. Thank you so much for attending today's episode.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for being here. You're the best sister ever in the world. Peace out.
Kawasaki.
God,
Goodbye, everybody. We love you.